welcome back to the Williams family. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button as well. We are, well, on our way to head out. I gotta finish get my makeup and my hair done. As you see, I'm not fully dressed. I'm going to go meet a subscriber today, and I'm also getting my Christmas cake. I have not got the Christmas cake in a while, so we're getting our Christmas cake. And of course I got the infamous, my tag team going along with me. So she needs to go get her hair comb. She's like, Mom, I can't believe you wake me up out of my bed. So
it's 10:25. Keep that in mind. I went to bed at 3 o'clock. 3 something.
I didn't tell you to go to bed at 3 o'clock in the morning, madam. So we're gonna go get dressed, and I got some errand that I also gotta run. Yeah, so come along with us and let's see what the day has in store. Let me go get myself together and get my face together and come back to you. So I am ready now. I am just currently waiting on Faith to get the hair done so we can get out of here. I got a few things that I gotta go do. Yeah, so I just want to get that done as quickly as possible, and we might just go out and have some lunch. So the other day I also got Rissa got some shoes too. So she got some new shoes, but no white shoes for her. When I went and got the other two shoes, because their feet is totally different, so with Rissa it's easier for me to, I know her size and I can just get like a little bit of a size up for her when I got her shoes. But the other two I literally had to bring, because when I thought Memphis fit in a certain size, and Mario's like, no Shan, do not buy the shoes, you're gonna end up bringing it back because that is not his size. I thought he fit into a size 9, but to my surprise his feet was bigger than that, the shoes that he has on. I was like, so. And with Faith, it took us about, I think, 8 or 9 different pairs of shoes we went through just trying to find our size. One minute her feet couldn't fit in it, then they didn't have the size that the shoes that she liked. We had to go to a different store, and the one pair of shoes we tried it in the females about 4, 5, 6 times, and then we tried it in the male till we finally was able to get her shoes in the male size. It was just crazy. But oh, good thing, see, my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna switch out my battery now, and I'm gonna get my stuff on and we're gonna get out of here because time is going. I'm trying to get the footage. So we finally left the house and we are on our way now. So we're actually on our way now out.
I like a cement truck.
It is, I think. No, it's a gas truck maybe. Outside is not so bad. Well, it's cold. It says it's 4, but that might all change. But I need to go get some Timmy's because I have a slight headache, I think. Well, I feel a headache coming on. I need to go get some tea. I haven't drank any tea from morning.
This is the only time I can actually go outside, because when it's like the sun's out, my head hurts. So I'm gonna put that door. I am a house person.
Oh no.
What?
Oh, I thought I didn't bring my case. We just got back in, and it was really nice to meet you and your daughter. Oh my gosh, and your son. And your grandson. That's not her son, it's her grandson.
It is?
Yes.
But that was her son.
Oh, look at the cake.
I will show you guys it when I actually open it up. So she baked this Christmas cake, and if you're in the GTA area, she also sells it if you're in Canada. And she has her logo on it. That's really nice, and a nice candy cane. And she also and she also sent, she baked some stuff for the kitties. So thank you very much. Oh Lord. And well, you know the Shreps, me and Faith got her food. Faith got herself her poutine. Oh, and I got myself some Chinese.
She got me and her some Chinese.
No, I got myself some
Where's
Chinese
my
food.
straw? Am I sitting on it? Is that my butt?
I got myself some Chinese food.
Am I sitting on my
Your
butt?
girl is hungry.
Mommy, that's mine.
I know, you need to take it up. I need to plug my...
I'm like, why are you trying to steal my juice?
I'm
So
not
I'm
trying
in
to
the
steal
car
your
trying to
juice.
steal.
I have my own drink cake.
I got more juice than you know. I want to steal my juice.
So, Faith got her poutine, but she got a little box this time.
Last time I got a large.
She got a smaller box.
I know, this is the regular because I'm like, oh, okay.
Okay. Since I didn't have no tea, I decided to have some ginger
You see
ale.
that? You didn't see that? Okay.
Oh man. And I got my food.
Oh,
Okay.
I just licked that hand and I'm right hand sanitizer.
So this is what I got this time. So a
Yeah.
little bit different. Is your Facebook, yeah?
Can I taste the chicken?
Yes, go ahead. You can taste it.
I'm just rusty.
So guys,
Put my hair in the food. Oh my god.
so we're going to eat and then we'll be back. Okay guys, it's been a long day. I forgot to even tell you guys that we came back. It's almost nighttime now. Look at this one. Yeah, Faith. Come let me vlog a little bit. So, as you guys see, it's almost night outside and it's 4:23.
Yeah.
We still have not reached home yet. I still have a few more errands I gotta run. Well, actually one more, and then
Over there actually has a bit of light, but
Then
over
we're
here so there's
finished.
dark.
but I was in the store like forever because I went to go buy something. I went to one store and I couldn't get it. Then they're telling me I went to the line and then they turned us away because you couldn't.
You have to order.
You have to order what you order online
And
and
sit
you
in
only
the car.
could pick up. So we ended up having to leave. I left, come to another place, was looking for it. They didn't have that one, so my budget of what I had for that initial thing, I had to change the budget and go with a little bit higher budget just because I was like, I ain't going all the way back down there. I just came from down there to go get what I needed. So it's been a long day. A long...
Mom's so dry on camera.
It's been a
Oh
long...
my gosh, you look so pale. It's not actually that pale.
Oh boy, and I'm exhausted. So we just got one more stop to make, and then
Us. Dark.
oh, ambulance.
You ride by phones. So wait, so we have to stop on this side as well.
Yes, anytime you the ambulance, you hear the fire truck going,
Or the
you usually
police siren.
you pull over to the right. No matter what side you're on, you pull over to the right and let them have their way.
Oh.
Because in the ambulance now, it could have been a life or death situation.
Yeah,
Somebody
yeah.
could be dying. And that's something that I rate in Canada. I believe all countries should do that. When they hear like the sirens of like the ambulance and fire truck, they should all pull over and make way. And because just doing that, you could save a life. You know, it's very important. And you never know, even with the ambulance, the fire truck, it could be like
a house
a
like
matter
on fire or
of
something.
seconds of you saving a life by just doing that and clearing the way. No, so they can get through to help put out that fire and save a life. So I think all country, no matter what country, that they should have that type of stipulation.
My lips are so tired.
I'm exhausted. I don't know how truck drivers do it. People that have to drive all day. Whew, but it does get tiring. So this is the cute little box that the kids them got. Let's see what they got in here.
What are you eating?
Oh, look at that. Oh, so this is from our subscriber Marie. Oh, look at that. So these kids, they got a lot of cute little stuff in here to go and make cookies. Oh, that is such a thoughtful thing. They have little gingerbread and they have all the supplies. It was so nice meeting you today, Maria, and your family. And don't mind me if I'm messing up your name. And then they got little icing and stuff. This is so cute. This is a great idea. And then you have more stuff. So there's like decorations and stuff where the kids them can put their little decorations and decorate it. That is such a cute thing. Oh, let me show you guys this. So here I'm gonna unwrap it just for you guys on camera, and I would link her channel name in the description below. Yes, so I will link her channel name as well, so you guys could actually check her out. She does do videos on cooking. She makes cake. She does all type of stuff, so definitely go ahead and subscribe to her channel and let her know that the Williams fam sent you. So let me open this. Hold on. Okay, so I finally opened it. So this is what it looks like. I could smell the rum in here, bad boy. Woo. Oh gosh. So, and there's her little logo. So there's a cake. And there is her logo. Let me see if it's focusing. All right. Oh, do you guys see it? So that is actually her in a cartoon character. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. So I got my nice Christmas cake here. So thank you so much. And I can't wait to try it. But I'm gonna wait till hubby comes so we can have some nice rum cake. So you guys, yeah, definitely go and check her out. And yeah, she has some great content on her channel as well. So definitely go and check her out. So we've finally reached home. We just reached in. I am literally exhausted. And I finally got my ice cap because of Miss Fate and her Timmy's. So I'm home and I am tired.
I'm not gonna sleep now.
I'm home, I'm tired. I need to go and shower. I gotta go shower and I gotta go make dinner. It's been a long day. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it's always a vibes over here. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? And I also have a video to do. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share up the video, and join the family. And we will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.